Houdini yesterday, right? And what happened with Houdini yesterday? He was on an adventure, wasn't he? He's on his own adventure. And has he had many adventures? Yeah. He has had many adventures. And guess what? He's on another one. What do you think? What? Are you excited? Wait for him. Go see him. Come on over. Come on over. He is back. Say hi to Dee. Hi. Where'd he go? How excited are we? Okay, so do we want to know the story about what happened? Yeah. Okay, everyone sit down and Houdini will take his turn to come and say hello because he missed you guys so much on his adventure. So yesterday, right at the end of school, you guys go home at 3:20. Yesterday at the very end of school at 3 o'clock, a man named Clive was working. And when he went outside to go to his truck, guess who flew onto his shoulder? Houdini. Houdini flew onto his shoulder. And do you know where they went? They got in the truck and Houdini stayed on his shoulder and talked to him the whole time. He drove home to his house. He got out of his truck with Houdini still on his shoulder. He went into the house and Mr. Clive and Miss Dee Dee kept him safe and warm and went and bought budgie food for him and they fed him. And they gave him water. And do you know what he looked like when they found him? Do you remember when he gets really, really puffy? Yeah. He got really, really puffy. But that is one way that birds keep themselves warm, is they get really puffy and they keep all their body heat in their body by putting their feathers out and getting really puffy. Did you see that? So Nancy knew last night. So Nancy, were you pretty excited last night when you found out that Houdini has been found? I found out. You found out too? So how excited are we? Super excited? Super excited.